me never train me whole life just to come get beat up by a blood clot Uchiha from Sheen.
Sir, sit the fuck down. Thank you.
Quick question. If it's a bumbo clot chang, why everybody ever love dead? The hombre warp me hand in our next dimension. This look like pussy clot genjutsu to you.
In copy all a Corey fighting style, then beat him up with it.
You can't show him nothing a ras, cause him a go copy your whole ras claw flow.
Him don't know no 1,000 blood clot jutsu. He just said that just because nobody never live long enough to find out.
Where the ras is a lightning blade? The hombre not even dropping Sharingan. So me do what this?
You work by your jutsu for years and him can just take you away so. Devs, nerve him no man.
Ask Kakashi what in the book.
What you mean?
He say fi ask him.